Hello students, we will see module 8 in this video. Okay, so this module is of class 6 subject mathematics and the title of module is volume and weight. We have to figure out what is volume, what is weight and how we measure this. So let's start. First of this, we have to understand 3D objects. What are 3D objects? Objects which occupy space are known as 3D object. 3D object means that occupy some space in air or water or anywhere else. That occupies some space. It's have length, breadth and height also. We have seen 2D shapes, it have only L and B. Now you have height also. You can see this cylinder, any object, your textbook, your compass box, your bag or blackboard or benches that occupy some space. So these are 3D objects. So what are 3D objects? Geometrical objects we will study till 10th. Cylinder, cube, cuboid, cone, pyramid, sphere, hemisphere, triangular, prism. Okay, these are the 3D objects. What is volume? Space occupied by an object is known as volume. So you can see this book. This book occupies some space. If you put this book, what will happen on the bench? It have length, breadth and height also. This will occupy some space. So the space occupied this book is known as volume. We can see better example. This is a balloon. Okay, if you fill with this balloon with air, what happens? The air is inside the balloon. Okay, so this air or this balloon occupies some space. So this is known as volume. The amount of air present inside this balloon will be known as volume. Okay, how volume forms we will see. Volume of cuboid. Okay, first of all we will see what is cuboid. Cuboid is a figure. Suppose you have taken a rectangular sheet. Okay, it have L and B. If you take another sheet and keep it on this and you take a number of sheets, you can see your textbook. If you see only one page, what is the shape of one page? It is rectangle. If you close it, what will its new figure or object? This object will known as cuboid. It have a length, breadth and height. Okay, so you can see a matchbox. If you open this matchbox, it will look like this. How many faces a matchbox have? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It will have 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. If you rejoin it, you will get cuboid. We will see what is edges. In this figure we have known it as sides. Okay, larger one will known as length or smaller one will known as breadth, or horizontal will known as length or vertical will known as breadth. Here you can see these are edges. We will call it edges, not sides. 3D objects have edges. This one, this 2, this 3, this 4, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges a cuboid have? It have 12 edges. How many faces it have? So you can see this. If we see from front, this one. If you see from upper side, this is 2. If we see from left or right, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5th in downward direction. But beside 4, okay, on the back of 1 there is also a face. it will known as 6. There are 6 faces. And how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 vertices. So what is the formula for volume of cuboid? What is the formula for volume of cuboid? Can you guess? Let us see how the formula is derived. You have seen how rectangle formed. We take a string, then another line, then another line or another string. We have joined a number of strings like this way, having same length. Then we found the figure rectangle, and how far we find area of this rectangle? L into B. So what is the formula for volume? L into B. There is one new dimension here, that is height, so we simply multiplied it, L into B into H. This is the formula for volume of rectangle. Similarly we can see for cube. Here cube, what is difference between cuboid and cube? Cube have all equal faces. Okay, cube is made from squares, equal squares. Okay, so how many number of edges square have? Similarly 12. Number of faces square have 6. Number of vertices square have 8. So what is formula for volume of cube? A into A into A. How? You can see here A, this is A, this is A, this is A. All the edges are equal. In the square you have seen both sides, all the 4 sides are equal, so all the 12 edges are equal. So we have to find out formula. How we will find out formula? First we find area of base. Okay, what is area of base? A into A. Then simply we will multiply it by height. So what is height here? A. So formula for volume of cube is A cube. Okay, understood? Now you have to find out volume of these figures. First we will find for this 5 into 12 into 8. 5 into 12. Here you can see L, B and this is H. Okay, so for first L into B into H equals to, I am not writing what is L, what is B, what is H here. You have to write what is L, what is B and what is H. L equals to 12, B equals to 8 into 5 equals to 12 into 40 480 centimeters square for 1 for second. What is 6 LBH? This is L, this is B and this is H. Height, what is height? 12 centimeter. So LBH for second one, for B equals to, this is for E, equals to 12 into 6 into 6 equals to 12 into 36. You have to just simply multiply it and find out what is the area. 432 centimeters square. Okay, now we will have to find about for this, and remaining you will find. You have to find L into B into H equals to 5 into 5 into 30. So 25, 5 into 5, what is the square of 5? 25 into 30 equals to 25 into 30. Solve this. This will be near about 750 centimeters square. Okay, you have to find remaining. And this also we will see this one. This is cube. Okay, so what is this? Area of cube? A cube or H cube. So 7 raised to 3. What is the cube of 7? 7 into 7, it is 49 into 7 equals to 343 centimeter cube. Okay, you have to always remember see, you can see I have made a small mistake. I have written centimeter square. This is centimeter cube, this also centimeter cube, and this also centimeter cube. Volume will be always in cubic centimeter or cube unit. Okay, so we have to find remaining. Now we will see a new concept. Can you find storage capacity of any object? So if you are going to purchase milk, you see, you what you told, give me half liter or 1 liter or 2 liter milk. So there is mark on measuring mug of this milk, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, or when you take any kind of syrup doctor given to you whenever you are ill or you have cough, you have seen there is a mark 5 ml, something like that. There is a mark 5 ml, 10 ml, such like that. So how you find how much quantity object can hold? So here we can find 100 cubic centimeter equals to 1 liter. If any object have area 100 cubic centimeter, it can hold 1 liter of water. 1 cubic meter, it can hold 1000 liter of water. Okay, so do you know weight of your school bag? Now we will see about weight. What is weight? You can see the gravitational force acting on any object, so it becomes heavy or less heavy. It have some weight, so it is known as weight. We measure weight in kilograms. Normally we measure weight in kilograms or grams. Okay, 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram. There are two units, grams, kilograms, and so on. Kilogram represented by kg and 1 gram is represented by gram. If you are I have to represent 500 grams, so what I have to write 500 g. Okay, you can convert this unit into another one, gram into kg, kg into gram. Here you have to write feedback what I understood the capacity of my water bottle. Now you can find volume, or you can see if it contains mark here 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400, 500 ml. So you can find out what is volume. Okay, or there is, if you find volume, you can find out what water holding capacity of your bottle. Thank you so much. You have to write this, and I will upload remaining videos soon. You have to write these videos. Thank you so much. Bye students.